Hey everyone, and welcome back to Health Equals Wellness. It's a new year, so it's time for those New Year's resolutions. One of the most favored New Year resolutions is losing weight and sticking to a healthier diet. But keeping diet resolutions can feel like climbing Mount Everest. In today's video, we will be sharing tried and true hacks, including less-known hacks that make it easy and even fun to stick to your healthy eating goals. You'll want to stay until the end because I've got some unique hacks you probably haven't heard of before. Tip number 1. Planning your meals and grocery shopping tips. First up, plan your meals. Think of meal planning as your secret weapon. Not only does it save you time and stress, but it also keeps you from making unhealthy last-minute decisions. Here's how to make it work. Choose 2 to 3 go-to meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner each week. Write them down then. Make a grocery list based on those meals. When grocery shopping, here is the golden rule. Never shop hungry. When you're starving, everything from chips, cookies, ice cream, and candy bars at checkout all start calling your name. Instead, have a small snack before heading out. About that shopping list, stick to it like it's your GPS roadmap to success. Tip number 2, prep ahead for success. Now that you've planned and shopped, it's time to prep ahead of time. Trust me, this is a total game changer. Dedicate an hour or 2 on Sundays to chop veggies, cook grains, or portion out snacks. This way, when hunger strikes during the week, you've got healthy options ready to go. Convenience is key to avoiding unhealthy temptations. Tip number 3, creative hacks for success. Let's now discuss some hacks you might not know. Hack number 1, drink okra water. Have you heard of this? Soak a few pods of okra in water overnight and drink it in the morning. It's packed with fiber, helps manage blood sugar, and keeps you feeling full longer, promoting feelings of fullness and reducing calorie intake. Okra water contains antioxidants, which can help with weight loss. Hack number 2, use smaller plates. This one's a psychological trick. Studies show that eating off smaller plates helps with weight loss by creating the visual perception of a fuller plate, which can trick your brain into feeling satisfied with a smaller portion, leading to reduced calorie intake overall and better portion control without necessarily feeling deprived. Essentially, because the same amount of food appears larger on a smaller plate, you are less likely to overeat. Hack number 3, eat slowly. Put your fork down between bites and take your time. Many other cultures savor their meals, opting out for quick dinners and fast food. This not only helps with digestion, but also gives your brain time to catch up with your stomach so you don't overeat. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes for your brain to signal fullness, so eating slowly gives your body time to respond. Eating slowly can also increase the levels of gut hormones that make you feel full. Eating slowly can help you tune into your body's signals and eat more mindfully. Let's keep going with even more hacks to crush your goals. Hack number 4, limit processed foods. Stick to whole foods like fruits, veggies, nuts, and lean proteins. Processed snacks are packed with extra calories without keeping you full. Processed foods are often high in salt, sugar, sodium, and unhealthy trans fats, but low in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Hack number 5, add more fruits and veggies to your daily food intake. This one's obvious, but here's the twist. Try eating them first. Filling up on fiber-packed veggies at the start of your meal leaves less room for unhealthy calories. Fruits and vegetables are naturally low in calories and fat and high in fiber and water. This helps you feel hydrated and full while eating fewer calories. Hack number 6, chew gum while cooking. This keeps you from snacking on ingredients while you're cooking. Fewer nibbles mean fewer sneaky calories. Chewing gum can help you avoid mindlessly eating while you cook or watch TV. Tip number 5, 6 unique hacks you might not know. Eating salad after your meal can potentially aid in weight loss because they are typically low in calories, high in fiber, and promote a feeling of fullness, which can help you consume fewer calories, especially if you are prone to late-night snacking. However, it's important to choose healthy ingredients and ensure the portion size is appropriate to avoid consuming too many calories even in a seemingly light meal. Europeans who have less obesity than Americans often eat salad last in a meal because it's considered a palate cleanser, aiding digestion by providing fiber after the heavier main course, and is seen as a refreshing way to finish the meal. This practice is particularly prevalent in countries like France and Italy, where a traditional meal structure includes salad as the final course. Hack number 8, practice the half-plate rule. Fill half your plate with vegetables at every meal. It's an easy way to make sure you're eating enough of the good stuff. Filling half your plate with vegetables can help you lose weight because vegetables are low in calories and high in fiber and water, which can help you feel full and eat less. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that slows digestion, which can help you feel full longer. It also slows blood sugar and insulin spikes, which can help prevent fat storage. Hack number 9, try the 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule before eating refers to the concept, popularized by David Allen in his book, Getting Things Done, that if a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, you should do it immediately, which could apply to taking a moment to consciously check your hunger level before starting a meal to avoid overeating. Essentially, taking a brief pause to be mindful about your eating habits. Hack number 10. Reward yourself wisely. Rewarding yourself wisely while trying to lose weight helps because it acts as positive reinforcement, boosting your motivation to maintain healthy habits by providing a tangible benefit for achieving goals, making it more likely you'll continue on your weight loss journey. The key is to choose non-food-related rewards, like a movie night or a new workout outfit that celebrates progress and milestones, not just indulging in treats. Hack number 11. Keep healthy snacks visible. Out of sight, out of mind. Put fruits, nuts, or cut-up veggies front and center in your fridge or on your counter for easy access. Put your snacks on a plate or in a bowl to help you visually see when you're done. Snacks like fresh cherries or pistachios can help you eat more slowly and mindfully. The leftover pits or shells can also serve as a visual reminder that you've eaten. Hack number 12. Focus on adding, not subtracting. Instead of obsessing over what you can't eat, focus on adding more nutritious, delicious foods to your diet. This mindset shift makes healthy eating feel like a treat, not a chore. By focusing on what foods you can eat instead of what you can't eat helps with weight loss by promoting a more positive mindset around food, encouraging healthier choices, and reducing feelings of deprivation, which can lead to overeating or giving up on a diet altogether. Essentially, it shifts the focus from restriction to abundance and empowers you to make conscious, healthy selections. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making small, consistent choices that add up over time. Which of these hacks are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. Our viewers would love to hear to help inspire them on their journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video from Health Equals Wellness helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more tips to help you live your best, healthiest life.